Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore expense categorization using YNAB import templates, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore expense categorization using YNAB import templates, start by downloading the latest YNAB import template from their official website. Open the template in a spreadsheet program, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Familiarize yourself with the columns available in the template. Locate the column designated for transaction categories. If you have existing transactions, review their categorization first to ensure accuracy. Next, identify any transactions that require recategorization. Input the appropriate category for each transaction based on your budget needs. Ensure that the categories align with the ones listed in your YNAB budget settings. After categorizing, save your changes in the spreadsheet. Export the modified template back to a compatible format, typically CSV for YNAB. Open your YNAB application or website. Navigate to the account where you want to import the transactions. Select the option to import transactions from a file. Choose the CSV file you just saved from your spreadsheet. Confirm that the import settings match the columns in your CSV file. Begin the import process and wait for YNAB to process the transactions. Review the imported transactions to ensure the categories were correctly applied. Make any necessary adjustments directly within YNAB if some categorization appears incorrect. Once all transactions are approved, you're ready to continue managing your budget with accurate categorization. Regularly check your categories after importing new transactions to maintain budget integrity. Following these steps will help restore and maintain expense categorization using YNAB import templates effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.